Hey, welcome back to Low and Go Rentals. Here we are with the Samsung. Customer states that the heating element was bad. It came with the house he bought, and he went and just bought a new one from us. So he said, "Do I think that I could do something with this?" I'm like, "Yeah, we can do something with it." It has the upper drying area for like blouses and undergarments, sweaters, and stuff like that, And then it's a standard dryer below that. So he got a dryer, just a standard Whirlpool dryer from us. And he gave me this dryer for $5. So we're gonna see what we can do to it. We're gonna break it down, change the heating element inside, and see what we can do. Looking inside the lint catch, I'm like, it's too bad. Just taking a quick glance without breaking it down, I'm like, it's too bad in there. Of course, we'll take it apart and clean it out. Even the filter here isn't, and as bad as I've seen some of the other ones. This is a fairly new dryer. So we'll see what we can do. You always want to make sure you disconnect the dryer from power before you do anything to it. On this one, you have to take out these two screws and these two screws also. That allows for this back portion to lift up. Then the front here, you got two more screws behind these tabs, here and here also. And that allow this upper portion to lift off. And then we'll take out the front panel right here, which then should give us access to removing this door in the front. The blower motor and everything is down here in the front of these. If you've seen my other videos on these Samsungs, all the blower motor and lint filter and everything is here, and it vents out the back right there. So it's just a standard dryer with another dryer on top. So we'll get it broken down and see what we're gonna do. So my phone died on me, so I didn't get a lot of the disassembly of this dryer. But the heating element is what was bad in this one. As you can see, this is a Samsung dryer. It's pretty clean. I think it's only about 2 years old. So we're going to replace the heating element and put this one all back together. So here we are the next day. This is the old heating element I took out of this dryer from 2019. Replaced all the sensors and everything in the dryer. So the new heating element's been installed. Got all the new resistors and sensors and fuses and everything installed on here. So now we're gonna put the dryer back together and see if we can get this thing running. Okay, we're doing a race against the sun here. We got the bulkhead put back on. We got the lint trap on there, about to screw that down. Put the door back on. I got the connectors inside. The control panel inside, and we'll leave it out overnight in the moisture. So it should be okay, but just protect it, I won't leave it out. Got it down to 15 degrees in Nashville last night, so I don't want to leave it outside. All right, so we're gonna put that together and give her a test run. Okay, so we got the front of the door put back on. Want to make sure it closes good. Oh yeah, it closes up nice. Now we're gonna get the control panel, install that, and then give it a test run, see how it turned out. All right. Now we got it running. What I like about these newer Samsungs with the heating element, you can see that it's glowing. See that glow? It's coming from the element, so you know the heating element is on. You can also feel the heat. Okay, so the dryer's running. Let's do a temp test. It's warm in there. Check it out. High, it's hot in there. Let me see if we go a little lower. Cool down there. 97.2. It's working fine. All right, let's put this one on the market. So I just want to give an update after I readjusted the belt on the inside. That rattling noise it was making because the belt had not seated all the way back around the drum. But this dryer is working very well. It's been running for about 10 minutes now. See what the temperature is right there. Let's see. I should say high, yeah. Pretty hot coming out the back of it, so. All right, 93.7. That's way back here. So this dryer is working really well. I might not want to put this on the market. I might, swap my Samsung out in the house and get this newer one. Let's check inside on the temperature. Yeah, it's real hot in there, so yeah, this one's ready to go. Not bad for, you know, $5 repair. Look at that 103 inside here. Yeah, this drive's ready to rock and roll, baby. All right, thanks for watching Load and Go. We'll check you on the next one.